Regardless of tenure or experience level, training is a must para sa iyong mga tauhan, sa iyong mga empleyado. One common misconception is business owners think that training is just essential for entry-level employees and is not required para sa mga seasoned na mga empleyado. That's wrong because ongoing training, even seasoned na sila, will help them adapt to the ever-changing and evolving industry trends, which we know, ito yung bagay na maka-make or break ng isang organization. The ability to adapt fast. Another benefit if you have training programs, even para sa mga seasoned na mga employees, this will help them become more competitive because common na nangyayari sa mga matagal na sa kumpanya, they rely on their current skills and previous na accomplishments. They stagnate. They are no longer open sa kung ano po yung pwede nilang makontribute sa iyong company. So training is essential because it also attracts quality ng mga prospects na ang kumpanya mo, na ang negosyo mo, it is a destination for people who are serious in their professional and personal growth and development.